I'm Robert Bell, and we're here with WTA members, friends, and colleagues at the IBC 2014 show, looking at the vast changes taking place in the media and entertainment industry and how those are going to shape the future for teleport operators worldwide.
No, we offer VSAT connectivity for mobile network operators. Also, we provide IP VSAT connectivity for governmental and private companies. We are the second telecom operator in the Emirates. We offer fixed and mobile services for our customers. And when Du was first initiated, they bought the satellite operator Samacom, the teleport operator. So actually we are the biggest on broadcasting and TV. We're the biggest operator in the Middle East actually, and like 80 or more than 80% of the content, TV content to the satellite, actually goes through our teleport. The services we currently provide are mainly for the remote sites. In the United Arab Emirates, we have our mobile network, our mobile handset penetration is about 200% of the population, and almost 80% of this are smartphones. So what we try to offer, most of the people live actually in the large cities and population centers, but quite a number live on remote islands and remote sites in the deserts. So here we provide connectivity to these sites. The challenge in this part is that the utilization of this connectivity can go down to zero and up to tens and hundreds of handsets connected at the same time. So this creates a challenge for the mobile operator that, in order to maintain cost, make it profitable, as well as achieve customer satisfaction and customer, So it is quite a challenge for that, especially if you have this huge changes in the utilization of the bandwidth.
How do you assist them technically to meet that challenge? It is a very difficult one.
Well, as I said, you provide a point-to-point VSAT, and this is what we do best from our teleport.
Are you doing dynamic bandwidth management, for instance?
No, we don't do that. We don't. I mean, what we do is that we lease a certain space segment, and we provide the point-to-point. Talking about 2G connectivity. We also putting 3G also on the according to the mobile network operator. Well, actually, the connectivity of these sites, the amount of investment you want to put in order to connect, takes profit out of it totally. So the advantage here is that the reach, the unhindered reach that you can achieve through satellite, versus, of course, the terrestrial networks, and the cost of installation. So how fast you can set it up, and how the cost of the installation. But of course, in the long run, day-to-day cost of operation, of course, the terrestrial network win, but it's not when you consider the cost of the investment to set up. No, definitely it's going to remain. As long as you have growth, as long as you have growth, as long as you have these new needs for new sites to be connected, definitely satellite will remain there. Of course, at a certain point, when you reach a certain threshold in the capacity that you can achieve and maintain, then you can run a comparison. Should I invest, or should I invest in a new terrestrial path, or should I maintain the satellite? So, but definitely satellites will always be there, definitely. I mean, we shouldn't really be managing it. We should be, just following with it and try to keep ahead in demand. So that's what we should really be focused on. Be ahead in the demand, predict well, and do it, and implement ahead of before the demand is growth. I guess it helps that you have such a high growth and fast growth. It helps you. It makes you work better rather than have just very high fluctuations. If you go through a stale period and then you go a spike in demand. I think it's better for you or for us as operators that this rate of high demand continues. The main thing is that they want to reach customer satisfaction, maintain customer satisfaction with that. You sell, the network operator sold sold you a 3G service. You should be able to utilize wherever you go. That is so. This has created a problem that for many people, that that's where I live. I live on this island or this remote location, but I cannot use your phone. I mean, what good is your? So you want to do that, and I guess it's a normal business. Of course, whatever. I mean, if you want to say this site is not profitable, this site is I will drop it out. That's not really how you run your business. You should try to maintain a larger. So I guess for the most cases, the remote sites, I don't think they actually they're not the profitable sites for the network operator. There is always a huge growth, and this growth, I mean, everybody looks favorably to it, of course, yeah. And and also we have how should I say this? We have a very intelligent and demanding customer base, and it also looks. We look at this favorably, which is nice. I guess the story will continue. I hope it continues. Yeah.